Let's quickly run through setting the time on a Baby G BG-169M. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our upper left adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we'll see our seconds start flashing. If we use our lower right button, we can zero our seconds. To enter our next setting, we're going to press our mode button. Now we'll see our daylight savings, which we can toggle off or on. Mode again to enter our next setting, which will allow us to choose our time zone. Mode again will allow us to set our hour, which we can adjust using our forward and reverse button. Mode again will bring us to our minutes, which again we can go forward and reverse. Mode once more will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. Mode again will allow us to set our day. And once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust once more, and our watch time will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.